Welcome students, I am Dr. James D'Souza, Assistant Professor, St. Xavier's College, Mapsa, Goa. Now this program is for second year Bachelor of Science, subject Botany, semester 4, course code BOS 102, course title Herbal Technology. Title of the unit Herbal Cosmetics and Nutraceuticals. Module name Plant used in cosmetic formulation for hair care. So we'll be discussing about oil, shampoo, conditioner and a dye. Coming to outline, in this module student will able to learn what are herbal cosmetic and which are the herbal plants which are used in hair care. At the end of this module, student will able to explain what are herbal cosmetics. They will able to describe herbal cosmetic plants and various preparation which is used in hair care. Now in this module we will be discussing about several herbal plants which are used to treat several hair disorders. Example, dandruff. Now for dandruff we have aloe vera, commonly called as aloe, and Sapindus trifoliatus, which is commonly called as soap nut. Other problem is graying of hair. Okay, now for this plant which is used is Phyllanthus emblica and Lawsonia inermis, that is amla and henna. Now for hair fall we have Phyllanthus emblica, amla and Lawsonia inermis. For other problem of lice, the plant which is used is Annona reticulata, which is commonly called as custard apple. Now hair care product is divided into 4 categories, that is hair oil, shampoos, hair lotion and hair colorants, which is also called as dye. First we will see about hair oil. Now these hair oils are used for dressing and nourishing the hair. Preparations are used to increase the growth of hair and to make them healthy. Now hair oil should have following properties. They should have luster, they should give soft glow to the hair, they should retain them soft and flowing, should not be sticky, it should keep the head cool. Hair lotions. They are perfumed with various essential aromatic oils. It possesses good stimulating properties and their function is to produce stimulating effect on the hair follicles. Next we have shampoos. Now these shampoos are prepared from surfactant in suitable liquids, solids or powders. What is their function? They help to remove the surface grease, remove the dirt, remove skin debris from hair shaft and scalp. Now we will see plant used to prepare the shampoos. First one we have Metricaria chamomilla, that is chamomile flowers. Then we have Calendula officinalis, that is calendula flower. Then we have Maranta species, which is commonly called as arrowroot. Then we have Lavandula species, which is commonly called as lavender. We have lemongrass, whose scientific name is Symphopogon citratus. Now these are all plant species which is used to prepare herbal shampoos. Next we will see hair colorants or dyes. The natural dyes are the dyes or colorants which are derived from plants. These preparations used for coloring of the hair. They are applied externally on the hair. Their function is to enhance the attractiveness of grey hair. Next we have hair conditioner. This is hair care product used to improve the feel and appearance of the hair. The main purpose is to reduce the friction between the strands of the hair and to allow and smoother the brushing and combing of the hair. Now we will see various herbal plants which are used in hair care. First one we have Articum, whose scientific name is Articum lapa. Here biological source is roots and what is the function is to promote hair growth. Next we have Brahmi plant, whose scientific name is Bacoba moneri. Here entire herb is used as a biological source and they promote hair growth, and that's why it is mostly used in shampoos. Next we have aloe, that is aloe vera. Here biological source is leaf. It is mostly used in moisturizers and shampoos. Next we have Bringraj. The scientific name is Alicta alba. Here biological source is entire plant. It also promote hair growth and hence it is used in shampoos and hair oil. Next we have Gotu kola, that is Centella asiatica. Now this plant, a whole plant is used as a biological source. It is used in hair care, darkening of the hair, and also used in hair oil. Now what are the qualities of ideal hair care product? They should protect the hair cuticle. They should clean without stripping the natural oils. Replace the lost protein, moisture and nutrients. They should condition without weighing down the hair. Smooth abraded cuticle scales. They should prevent intense drying from the environment. Now these are the advantages of herbal cosmetics. They do not provoke allergic reaction. No side effects. They are easily incorporated. They are very effective even with small quantity. They are easily available and found in large variety and quantity. These are my references. Thank you, students.